Have you ever spent more time fixing bad cuts than actually building your project? Because in woodworking, one tool can make or break the entire experience. A great table saw doesn't just cut wood. It delivers cleaner results, better accuracy, and the confidence to tackle bigger projects. But with so many models out there, finding the right one can feel overwhelming. So today we're counting down the top 5 best table saws you can buy right now. From budget-friendly job site options to professional-grade machines built for serious woodworking. And stick around, because the number 1 pick is the kind of upgrade that can completely change the way you work. Let's get started. Number 5. SKIL TS6307-00. If you're looking for the best bang for your buck, this is an easy place to start. The SKIL TS6307-00 combines portability, solid performance, and beginner-friendly features at a very attractive price. It features a powerful 15-amp motor, a 25.5-inch rip capacity, and an integrated folding stand that makes setup and storage incredibly simple. One of the standout features is the rack and pinion fence system. Fence adjustments feel smooth and accurate, helping you achieve cleaner, more consistent cuts. Despite its affordable price, it handles plywood, dimensional lumber, and most DIY projects with confidence. For homeowners, weekend builders, and first-time woodworkers, this saw delivers a lot of value. Number 4. RIDGID R452 Contractor Table Saw. If you're ready to move beyond entry-level tools, the RIDGID R452 is worth a serious look. This contractor-style saw features a cast-iron tabletop, a powerful belt-driven motor, and a spacious work surface designed for larger projects. Right away, you'll notice the stability. The cast-iron construction helps reduce vibration, resulting in smoother operation and improved accuracy. The large table area also makes handling sheet goods and hardwood boards much easier. Its fence system feels solid and dependable, while the overall build quality gives it a more professional workshop feel. For serious hobbyists who want more power and precision without jumping into cabinet saw pricing, the R4520 hits a sweet spot. Number 3. SawStop CTS Compact Table Saw. This saw earns its place on the list for one reason that instantly grabs attention: safety. The SawStop CTS includes the company's famous blade stopping technology, designed to stop the blade within milliseconds if it detects skin contact. That's a feature no woodworker ignores. But safety isn't the only reason this saw stands out. It's compact, portable, and surprisingly capable. The 15-amp motor provides plenty of cutting power, while the precision fence system helps maintain accuracy throughout your projects. The compact footprint is ideal for smaller workshops, garages, or mobile job site work. And knowing that extra layer of protection is there creates a level of confidence that's hard to put a price on. For woodworkers who value safety as much as performance, this is an outstanding option. Number 2. DeWalt DWE7491RS. Ask contractors which portable table saw they trust most, and this model comes up again and again. The DeWalt DWE7491RS has become one of the most respected job site table saws on the market. It features a powerful 15-amp motor, an impressive 32.5-inch rip capacity, and one of the best rolling stands in the industry. Moving it around is incredibly easy, but the real star is DeWalt's rack and pinion fence system. It's fast, smooth, and extremely accurate. Whether you're ripping plywood, trimming hardwood, or working on a remodeling project, this saw consistently delivers reliable results. It combines portability, power, and precision better than almost anything else in its class. And that's exactly why it remains a favorite among professionals and serious DIYers alike. Number 1. SawStop PCS 31230-. TGP252 professional cabinet saw. And taking the top spot is the machine many woodworkers dream of owning. The SawStop PCS31230-TGP252 professional cabinet saw. This isn't just a table saw, it's a serious woodworking centerpiece. Built around a heavy cast iron cabinet design, this saw delivers incredible stability, exceptional accuracy, and professional level performance. The powerful 3-horsepower motor cuts through hardwoods effortlessly. The precision fence system glides smoothly and locks down with confidence. Every adjustment feels refined. Every component feels built to last. And of course, it includes SawStop's industry-leading safety technology. That combination of performance and protection is what truly separates it from the competition. So, which table saw would you choose? The budget-friendly SKIL? The contractor-ready RIDGID? The portable DeWalt Workhorse? Or the professional-grade SawStop sitting at number 1? Let me know in the comments below. And remember, all product links are waiting in the description if you want to check current pricing and full specifications. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe for more tool reviews and woodworking guides, and I'll see you in the next one.